Hello everyone, and welcome to another installment of my vlog. Today I'm going to bring you inside Hicksville number 5, and I've been bringing you here since before we even knocked down the old house. Currently this home is under contract. We're working on getting a mortgage commitment, and in a few weeks we'll have another satisfied buyer of one of our Pinnacle builds. Let's go inside so I can take you on a tour. Hicksville number 5 is a 3,000 square foot central hall colonial. What that means is we've got this double height entry foyer, and all our rooms kind of flow around this foyer. Everything you see in this house is standard. There are no upgrades, and in my opinion, little details like the 6-inch stair post, the crown moldings, the hi-hats, and the raised panels really add to the luxurious feel of this home. So as we make our way through the hallway, this is our formal living room with 4 windows, lots of natural light, and I'm obsessed with the way these Cumberland oak floors came out. We finished them in a Duraseal Jacobine color stain and an oil-based finish. Over here is our 5th bedroom, a crucial feature for our Hicksville buyer, and this bedroom must be coupled with a full bath, which we also have right here, and this bath will also double as a guest bath. It's centrally located right along the main hallway, and as we make our way into this space, I can comfortably say this is my favorite part of the house. This family room and kitchen is huge, and it's very well laid out, perfect for entertaining. We went with KitchenAid appliances. We did a wall oven, dishwasher, range hood, and French door refrigerator. And this island right here is where the magic's gonna happen, where you're gonna hang out with your family. And of course, we left space for a breakfast table, and that wall right there, where the feature wall is gonna be for the family room, we left blank. I wasn't sure what the buyer wanted, so what we did was, we ran our wires for the television, we ran electric, and if you wanna do a fireplace, or a feature wall, a mantle, bookcase, all of that can be done on that wall, obviously subject to our buyer approving it. And as we make our way through this hallway, we've got a garage here and our formal dining room where the buyer can select the chandelier to install at a later date. Now that we're on the 2nd floor, allow me to correct myself. There's actually 5 bedrooms and 4 full baths, not 3 in this house. And the reason for that is we added a 2nd bedroom with a full ensuite bath, and I think that really makes the house, and our buyer was a big fan of that call. I'm gonna save the master for last, and we're gonna work our way down this hallway where we have 3 bedrooms, another full bath, a main bath for the other bedrooms, a huge laundry room, and this room right here is just ridiculous. This is our 2nd ensuite, pre-wired for TV and internet. Our bed will go here. We've got a huge walk-in closet. Our buyer selected to go with our standard shelf and pole package, which is included in every single closet. If you want custom built-ins, we're happy to oblige. We can either do that later on or right as we're completing the build, so you can move in and just enjoy your new home seamlessly. And then right here, it's a little bit different of a bath. I did a little bit of a nautical inspired theme. You've got the pebble shower base, a nice blue, white, and gray look, a little bit different from your standard white and gray, and I really love the way the colors pop in this bathroom. Now, as we make our way back out to the hallway, we've got a pull-down stair for the attic, lots of storage up there. We included hi-hats in all the bedrooms. We do solid doors for all the bedrooms and bathrooms, which I find is not so common, and this way we have a full bath for the kids. I love the colors, the gray, the white. I love the contrast of the quartz countertop, and we can install either a shower curtain or a shower door at a later date. Now that we're in the master, we can really appreciate how large this space is. Hi-hats, center light fixture, a closet with shelf and pole. Of course, in the future, this could be upgraded and utilized far better than it currently is. And now we're in this massive master bath with a beautiful walk-in shower, all Kohler fixtures, double vanity, Fabiwood cabinet, quartz countertop, Kohler fixtures, and whenever possible, we put the toilet in a separate closet, and this way you can have more than one person using the bath at a time. But this master, to me, really checks all the boxes, and I'm really happy with the way it came out. The basement at Hicksville 5 is not finished, and typically with new construction, we don't finish the basement, but the high quality blank slate that our buyer is getting is almost 1,500 square feet, and whenever they decide to finish this space, it's gonna be amazing. The ceiling heights are more than 9 feet. We ran a continuous I-beam all the way across, no flitch plates, no micro lamps, just solid steel. We've only got 2 columns, one of which will be easily gobbled up by this closet later on when this basement is finished. All our utilities are on that side, and as you walk around this space, you could have a movie theater, you could have guest quarters, you could have utility space, pool table, whatever you want can happen down here. And with this kind of height, you're not gonna feel like you're in a basement. And of course, as always, we put an outside entrance. This way, whenever you finish the basement, there's no mess going through the house. And when you're entertaining, the kids can just hang out, use the back door, even put a pool in down the road, add a bathroom down here, and you won't really have even any impact on your living upstairs. For those of you that have seen some of our earlier episodes, you already know this is a standard Pinnacle backyard. The patio, the sprinklers, the sod, the PVC fence, just a complete backyard. All you gotta do is drop your barbecue grill and your patio furniture out here and just start enjoying your new home. And this house is no exception. If you guys go back and look at the earlier episode, and it's called How I Source My Investment Properties, I'm not sure what number it is, but we were actually here about a year ago, and you could see what this space looked like before we really started working our magic. The old house, the detached garage, several dumpsters of garbage. It was just horrific, but this is the kind of property we buy, and this is what we turn it into, and our buyers couldn't be happier with the product that we provide. Thank you very much for watching the tour of Hicksville number 5, and please don't forget, if you're in the Long Island market and you're buying, selling, or building, or you have friends or family that are doing the same, don't hesitate to contact me. There's no obligation. We can have a quick conversation, and if you don't see the value in what I bring to the table, I wish you the best of luck in whatever your real estate goals are. But thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, youtube.com/Pinnacle Real Estate. Have a great day, everyone.